What's up guys, I'm Nate Samson. In today's video I have a quick one for you. It is a beautiful walkthrough of two wonderful homes in the east side of Orlando in a wonderful community called EverBe. Let's check it out. If this is your first time to my channel, guys, hit that subscribe button, tap that notification bell, and you'll be the first to know every time I drop a new video every single week. All right, guys, we have the Haddock model here. This is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2-story home with a 2-car garage. It is 1,896 square feet. Let's check it out. All right, as soon as you enter, you got your living room on the first floor with a beautiful open kitchen, beautiful island, nice little dining area. Also on the first floor, you have your first and only half bath right here. Nice little guest bathroom, little storage closet. And as we move through the living room, we will head, well, let's stay on the first floor. As we move through the living room, we're gonna go through the back door. You have a nice little patio connected to your 2-car garage. All right, I like it because it does have a nice overhang, so you're not getting wet here when it rains, getting into your house. But here's a different view of the kitchen and living space on the first floor. Let's check out upstairs. As we go upstairs, you will see, enter into a loft common area to turn into a nice little home theater. And to the left, you have your restroom, full bath. And then first room, bedroom. Decent closet space. The kids would love this area. Be a perfect playroom for them. A separate bedroom. And we go around here to this closet. Okay. Gonna speed it up. Come through here. And down the hallway up here, we have the master. So all 3 bedrooms are upstairs. Beautiful master, beautiful windows. Love the lighting here today. With a walk-in closet. Pretty spacious in here. Pretty good sized walk-in closet. And then in here we have the master bathroom. Hi guys. Dual sinks, walk-in shower, and you got your water closet. And here's extra storage for towels. Another look at the master. Beautiful. If you're looking to make your move to Orlando, Florida, my team and I help people just like you each and every single day. So give me a call, shoot me a text, or send me an email, or schedule a one-on-one Zoom call down in the comments below, and I'll be happy to help you with your move to Orlando, Florida. If you enjoyed that home tour, guys, then really hit that thumbs up button. It really helps me out. It helps my channel grow. And if you want to see more home tours just like that, there'll be a playlist somewhere around here you can click on. Check those out for me, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Truck.